Hello and welcome to KCL Roofing. We are one of Galway's most established roofing companies. In this video, we will outline the 5 signs that reveal when you should hire a professional roofing company. The 5 signs that we are going to discuss are: Number 1, your roof is over 20 years old. Number 2, poor thermal efficiency. Number 3, sagging roof. Number 4, broken tiles. Number 5, moisture problems. Let's discuss each in more detail. Regular roof maintenance can keep your home protected for an extended period. To ensure your roof lasts its entire service life, it's crucial to schedule regular inspections and maintenance. However, roofs will inevitably wear out even with proper upkeep, and repairs may no longer be feasible. If you're worried about the condition of your roof and its remaining lifespan, please call KCL Roofing today. We can assess the condition of your 20-year-old roof and suggest remedial action on any identified issues. Thermal efficiency in a home refers to the ability of the house to retain heat during cold weather and maintain a cool temperature during hot weather. A home with good thermal efficiency will use less energy to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in lower energy bills. One of the telltale signs of a damaged roofing system is a noticeable decline in your home's thermal efficiency. If you've been paying higher energy bills, it could indicate that your roof is no longer functioning at optimal levels. There can be several reasons for poor thermal efficiency, such as holes or broken seals on the roof. Regardless of the cause, it's essential to seek the assistance of a professional roofer to evaluate and repair any damage. If you notice a sagging roof, it may indicate significant structural issues with your attic or foundation. Immediate action here is crucial, as addressing the problem while it's still small and localized means the repairs will be much less costly. Take a moment to step outside and observe your roof's foundation from the ground. If you detect any signs of sagging, it's best to contact a professional roofer promptly to conduct a thorough inspection. Over time, some roof tiles may start to bend, curl or crack, and as a result, they may eventually come off, creating gaps that can make your roof look bald. A missing tile or two may not be a significant cause for concern, but if numerous tiles detach, it could indicate a more substantial issue underneath the surface. It's essential to have a professional roofer assess the situation to identify the root cause of the problem. Water infiltration can result in all kinds of damage to your property. When insulation gets wet, it can lead to higher utility costs, and the presence of moisture can create an ideal environment for mold growth and insect infestations. The price of mitigating mold can quickly add up, along with the inconvenience it causes to your daily routine. Any visible watermarks or stains on your walls or ceilings may indicate a moisture problem that needs to be immediately addressed. If you notice any of the above issues with your domestic roof, please call or email KCL Roofing today. Our expert roofers are available to clients all over Galway.